Which tool is better for you as an Amazon seller, JungleScout or Seller Assistant app? I'll be giving you the full breakdown in today's video. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. Okay, so first let's look at Seller Assistant app, which in my opinion is best for resellers and wholesalers. So if you wanted to go to the store, buy Nike shoes and resell them, this is going to be a great potential product. So powerful Amazon product research tool. Quickly scan and analyze your supplier's wholesale product lists and find profitable products that can be sold on Amazon. Great for wholesale arbitrage and drop shipping. So there you go. You can kind of see a little basis of the tool. When we log in, we've got a lot of different apps, right? Hi Josh, connect this, do this, right? Price analyzer tool, seller spy, bulk restriction checker, brand analyzer, and then they have extensions, seller assistant, IP alert. They have a VPN that comes with it. Teams, integration, subscription, prep center, and then funding. So if you wanted to get funding. But first we're going to go over the extensions, right? So the first thing is they have a VPN extension. So this is great if you wanted to be in a different country and you needed a VPN. So maybe sellers need it. IP alert. This one tells you if it's a high risk product, right? If you sell this product, even if you have a legit invoice or legit receipt, you might get an intellectual property complaint. So maybe you shouldn't be selling this product. And then seller assistant pretty much tells you if the product is gated, the best sellers ranks, the sales data. But let me show you the extensions. I have them installed right here. And if we type in garlic press and we go to Amazon, we're going to see the extensions working right here. And this is the extension, okay? So it tells you if you're gated. So right now you can see this red lock right here. It means that this product is gated. I can't sell it unless I get approved by Amazon. Also, if I do I can just click right here and then it'll take me to the approval page, right? So I can request approval. So it makes it a lot easier to request approval. Now it also has this little box, or like a warning sign this shows that it's high risk. That means if I try to sell it, most likely I'll get reported as a counterfeit, even if it's a real product. Okay, so this product isn't probably good. And it says Amazon right here. This means I'm going to be competing directly against Amazon for this product. So it just shows you, hey, let's not do this product right away. So a lot of data, a lot of these are locked. But let's say we wanted to sell a Hello Kitty plush, right? And you're going to think, oh, I'm probably locked for all the Hello Kitty products. But nope. You'll see right here, this one's making 9,000 sales in the past month. And then we've got it unlocked. That means our account can sell it right away. If we click on this button, you'll see I can just click sell yours and we can sell it right away, no issues. It does have a red flag, and I am going to be competing against Amazon and other sellers, but 9,000 bought in the past month is crazy, even if I got a little piece of the cake. This one's locked, unlocked. So I'm just surprised that Hello Kitty is completely unlocked. A lot of these products are completely unlocked. So I can scroll down. This one, 50 bought in the past month, unlocked. For my account, unlocked. And this one doesn't have a red flag, so I could probably sell it no problem with no intellectual property complaints. Unlocked. This one's unlocked, but it does have intellectual property complaints. So it's really good. I can have like a list of ones, and then if I had a store that mainly sells plush or Hello Kitty, I could buy them at the store and then resell them on Amazon for potentially a lot more money. So this is a really cool extension, and then they do have a breakout. So I can click this button and it's going to show me a lot more data about the products, and I could do a breakdown. So I can pin this. It's going to show me the risk, quick info, bestseller rating, estimated sales a month, profit, right? A lot of the different sellers, the profit calculators right here, the cost of goods. So it's got like a little breakdown of like everything. You can save it to a Google Sheet. So it's really nice. It is a pretty good tool. I don't know about like any other tools that does it this well and this easy for wholesalers. And then you can actually put a whole price list in. turn suppliers' price lists into deals. So you can put a whole price list in. Seller spy, automatically track competitors to discover new brands. So I can put in a competitor. So let's say I wanted to track who sells this. I think Amazon does. So this probably isn't a good one. Oh, let's see if there's any other sellers. Okay, so let's see if there's another seller. And what I can do is track them, and I can track every single product they sell and see if I'm able to resell those products as well. Because if we find a profitable person like Wooler Global right here, I could put their name in, or the link of their Amazon section. So I can go here, right click, copy link. Let's see, let's just actually go to their page. So here's their page. And I can actually put in their seller info, and then I can track every single product that they sell, every single product that they add, and then double check if I'm approved for them, and then I could double down. So I can see what are other people selling, and if they're making a lot of money on Amazon, I could just mimic them and make money as well. Then you can do a whole bulk restriction checker. So I showed you how to do it one by one, right? When we were going through the Hello Kitty, how it was locked and unlocked. But what we can do is do it in bulk as well. So you can put in like a whole list of ASINs, ASIN, like 5, let's see, how many ASINs? 20,000 ASINs. And then it's gonna tell you if it's gated or ungated. And then, or if you can't even apply for it. So it has a lot of different data here that you can do in bulk. And then brand analyzer, identify new brands that meet your revenue goals. So you can put in, again, like a brand like Nike, and it's going to show you every single Nike product on Amazon, right? 8,007 Nike products on Amazon. And then you can download the list and see what you're approved for. So if you know there's a Nike outlet mall near you, you could just type in Nike and then see, okay, which ones am I approved to sell for already? And then go to the Nike outlet store and then resell them on Amazon. And then once you find a good niche, you can just double down on that. So that's it for Seller Assistant. Let's go into JungleScout and see how much different it is. So here's JungleScout, unlocking Amazon intelligence at scale. And I do believe this one is mainly for private label. So if you wanted to launch your own brand, your own product on Amazon, not the wholesale resell, I think that JungleScout's going to be better for you. But you can see they have like awards. It's one of the best tools it's very, very easy to use pretty much. And if we log in, you can see it's going to show you your profit margins, stuff like that. It connects to your account so you can see how much profit you're actually making. Competitive intelligence, product research. So it has a product database. So if I wanted to find baby products that are let's see, that have at least 1,000 units sold a month, I can click search, and then it's going to show me potential baby products I could sell. So this one is a bottle handle for Dr. Brown babies bottles, and it's making 9,000 a month. So again, you can come up with great ideas. Opportunity finder. This looks kind of similar. So let's do baby products. Oh, this is a little bit different. So you can see low competition or high demand. Can I do 2? Okay, I'm going to do high demand and low competition products. Baby Doppler fetal monitor. Baby heart Doppler. So you can see different items that are very niche that you could potentially launch. Product tracker. This is where you track competitors and products and see how they're doing. This is where you can find help you find trends. Let's do again baby. Car seats. 3-in-1. Look, it goes super in depth. And then you can find, I guess, different trending products and view them on Amazon. Interesting. Sales estimator, so you can put in a listing and then or a best-selling rank number and get an estimated how many sales they're making per month. Listing analyzer, so you can analyze your own listing to see what it can do to get improved. So if we did, let's do this purple toothpaste thing. Oops. We got to log into our Amazon account to do this. But let's just see if what it's showing right now. Okay, so it'll give you more data and it'll analyze their reviews, but right now off the bat, it's showing that we don't have 100 to 200 characters per feature. So it looks like our bullet points are optimized. I mean, they look pretty decent. So we want to just go through, and it's just going to help you just get a view of your listing. You can also find suppliers. So let's do Lululemon. Is that how you spell Lululemon? And then we can see if it'll find the actual supplier of Lululemon, and it does. So it shows us it found this actual supplier, which is in the Philippines, for Lululemon. So again, perfect for private label. Supplier tracker, keyword optimization, so we can again do reverse ASIN. Let's do this one again, the purple teeth whitening. So we can actually see what keywords they're ranking for. So these are the keywords they're ranking for and how much their PPC bid is, the broad bid, and we can kind of like view the insights and potentially put these in our listing because now we know what keywords they're ranking for. We can have our own keyword list. It's like pretty much just a list to save for yourself. Keyword rank tracker to see if it's like a trending keyword, right? Like fidget spinners. Is that trending up or is it trending down? If it's trending down, maybe we shouldn't launch the product. Review automation. So it's going to automatically request reviews from customers. You can see we've requested 5,000 reviews in the past 30 days, 178. Saves you a lot of time. Profit and loss, profit overview, profit and loss statement. You can put in all of your products. You can review your ads analytics, and then of course you can manage all your products. Listing builder, it's going to help you get FBA reimbursements, inventory manager, product costs and settings. So a lot of different tools, really good for the Amazon seller. But my favorite tool is their Chrome extension. So you can get their Chrome extension here. It says extension, and they have an academy for training. But let's say I type in, again, Hello Kitty plush. It's going to tell me exactly how much sales they're generating per month without me even like clicking. Let's see. So it shows it at the bottom right here, and then it loads and tells me. This is one of the easiest tools to use. So I can see very quickly how many sales they're generating per month. Let's let this load for a second. Okay, so it loaded, and I can see this one's generating $157,000 a month. 15,000, 64,000, 91,000. I can literally just scroll through and see who's making money, how much money they're making in a very efficient and quick time. So I can review competitors extremely quickly with JungleScout's tool, and it is one of the easiest Chrome extensions to use. JungleScout's one of the most friendly. So both of these tools are in the description, and there is a discount code if you wanted that. So check that out. You just click it and the discount code's already enabled. But they do have, a lot of them do have free trials or a 14-day trial where you can get your money back. So you can try it out and see what works for you. But that's it for today's video. Which tool do you prefer for your Amazon business? Seller Assistant app or JungleScout? Let's talk about your choice in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you with your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our #1 services is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, advertising, increasing your sales, product launch, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Amazon for hours on end just to fix an issue. Save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.